Hello everyone, today we will make this beautiful Christmas ornament. For making this I am using acrylic yarn, a ring, glue, needle and thread, a pearl chain, 3-number crochet hook, scissor, white bead and small white beads and this golden bell. So let's start. One single crochet, two single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet. So I will cover this ring by making single crochet all around and complete my round. I have covered my ring all around by making single crochet. I will connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now skip two single crochet. In third single crochet I will make a double crochet, one double crochet, second double crochet in same stitch, third double crochet in same stitch, fourth double crochet in same stitch and fifth double crochet in same stitch. Now skip two single crochet. In third single crochet I will make a single crochet like this. Again skip two single crochet. In third single crochet I will work double crochet, one double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, fourth double crochet and fifth double crochet. Again skip two single crochet. In third single crochet I will make a single crochet like this. So I follow same pattern all around this ring and complete my round. I have completed my round. I will connect here by slip stitch like this. Now I will cut my yarn. It will look like this. Now we will make a bow. Start with magic ring, chain 1, 2, 3, 1 triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet in ring, third triple crochet in ring, chain 1, 2, 3, connect in ring by slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chain. Skip 3 chain. In fourth chain we will make a double crochet. In next chain 1 half double crochet. In next chain 1 single crochet. In last chain 1 single crochet. Now connect in ring by slip stitch like this. Again chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Skip 3 chain. In fourth chain 1 double crochet. In next chain 1 half double crochet. In next chain 1 single crochet. In last chain 1 single crochet. Connect in ring by slip stitch. Again chain 1 2 3, 1 triple crochet in ring, second triple crochet in ring, and third triple crochet in ring. Now chain 1 2 3, connect in ring by slip stitch. Now I will cut my yarn and pull it down and pull the magic rings thread yarn. Here is our bow. Now we will make a loop, hanging loop. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 chain. Now I will connect it here by slip stitch. Now I will cut my yarn and adjust this extra thread. Bell, like this. Now I will attach my bow here with the help of needle and thread. I will add a bead and make a knot. Here it is. Now I will attach this pearl chain. Now I will paste white beads. Here is our beautiful Christmas ornament is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.